Hi, sweetie. Good morning. How's your sleep? Is your sleep good? That's good. I'm glad. Do you feel better? Yeah. Does your stomach feel okay? Good. Good. What about your head? Do you still have that headache? No? That's good. That's good, sweetheart. I'm glad you're feeling better. No, sweetie. Is there anything I can get you? Anything whatsoever? Some water. I can make you breakfast. Or do you want a purse? Yeah. I can get you something. Or maybe like a car. I saw you eyeing that Lamborghini, so I figured, or maybe like a jet. Anything whatsoever, sweetie. No? Nothing? You just want to cuddle? Of course, baby, we can cuddle. Let's go cuddle. You know what? I really can't believe that it's gonna be 3 of us soon. Me and you, and then the baby. Us 3. Under one roof. I know it's wild. But I'm so happy. I am. I really never thought I would ever get here. Get to a place to have you and a child coming. So, I'm so lucky. No, sweetie. Don't worry, okay? Everything's gonna be okay. I know. It's my first time too. The baby's gonna be fine. We'll learn. We'll learn together as we grow. I know. The baby's gonna be so beautiful. Just like you. But you don't have to worry, sweetheart. I'll take care of you. And I'll take care of the baby. I'll be there every step of the way. Let me feel your belly. It's so smooth. I think I can feel the baby. The baby's kicking a little bit. I can feel it. I still can't believe that we're gonna be parents. I know, it's wild. It's crazy. I love you. Sweetie, don't worry, okay? You don't have to worry. You're gonna be such a good mother, okay? So don't worry about it. I know that you're gonna be a good mother. It's because you're just so caring. You are. You're so nurturing. You're so kind. You just got a beautiful heart. That's why I fell in love with you in the first place. And that's why I think you are gonna be such a good mother. So don't worry, okay, my little princess, you don't have to worry. You're gonna do great. Of course, sweetie. I mean, I think I'm gonna be a great father. I do, you know. I'm gonna, love the baby. I'm gonna love you. I'm always gonna be there for our baby and teach her child stuff and, and I'll learn as I go, obviously. But yeah, I think I'll be a great father. I know that I'll always love you and the baby. You guys will always be my number one. You guys will. I promise. You know, when I first saw you, I knew you were the one. I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the world. I just had to come up and say hi to you. I was nervous. I was really, really, really nervous. And when you gave me your number, I was surprised. I was really, really surprised. And when we went on our first date, I just knew you were the one. You were so caring, so loving. Everything about you was perfect. You were perfect. And I just loved you so much. I fell in love with you really quick. And now, look at us now. It's like a dream come true. I mean, I can't believe it myself. No, the baby's kicking kind of hard, sweetie. Are you okay? I see. Hurts a little bit. Okay. Let me grab the hot water bottle, yeah. I'll make sure it's warm for you. Give me 1 second. Here you go, sweetie. Got you that heated water bottle for your belly. Here, let me put it on your belly. There you go. Doesn't that feel better, sweetie? Of course, baby, I'll do anything for you. I'll do anything for you and the baby. Here, let me cuddle. Let me cuddle with you. Come here close.